Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how I clean my camera lenses. So I made a new purchase from Amazon and I bought this two stuff. One is the Lenspen and the other is the air compressed blower. So I'm not a camera expert nor a lens cleaning expert, but I do have a few lenses, good lenses, and I'm supposed to know how to take good care of it and how to protect my lenses. So I made a little study online and I came up with there are several incorrect methods being used of cleaning the camera lenses, and I came up with a conclusion on some right method which is supposed to be used to clean your lenses. So I thought of sharing this with you all. So normally what certain people do is that this is what they do. They breathe on their lens and they use their vapor breath to clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. So that's an incorrect method being used. The reason is because our stomach, because of the digestion process, it consists of enzymes and it has a certain pH value. Also, our saliva in the mouth, it has a certain pH value. It could be a little acidic or a little basic. So even if it is a little acidic or little basic, our vapor breath, that could harm the coating on the lens, and a neutral pH is 7. So the right method is use distilled water to clean your lenses so that it couldn't harm the coating on your lens. And there are two methods that you can use. One is with the spray or distilled water spray, because if you are going outdoor, and that is very portable, it's always handy with you. And another method is you can use distilled water. Just pour it into a small container. I'll show it in this video how I'm going to do it. So this method which is used by just blowing on the lens like this and just using a microfiber cloth like this, or you get something like this, two types of microfiber cloth, and just cleaning the outer surface of the lens. That's a very incorrect method, because there are small dust particles which are present on the lens. They could get a little trapped. Even when you have covered the lens and kept, there are very minute dust particles. So by using the microfiber cloth and cleaning it, this could in turn give several scratches at very micro level. The dust particles itself which are present on the lens could form micro scratches. So that's a very incorrect method of doing it. There are many lens cleaning kits which are available online, and I didn't opt for those lens cleaning kits. The reason is because it comes with a solution spray, and that is certain sprays are alcohol based, so that in turn could ruin the coating on your lenses. If you plan on using a microfiber cloth, then you need to keep it clean, and this microfiber cloth, it attracts dust particles. And also when you touch your microfiber cloth, the oiliness on your skin could get on the cloth, and this in turn could spoil the lens when you're cleaning it. So the microfiber cloth, if you using it, you're supposed to keep it very clean, and you can keep it in a plastic zip bag to protect it from dust. Also, there's another option that you can buy these Kimtech wipes. They are scientific wipes. So you can use these wipes on your lenses. So whenever your lens is not in use, just protect your lens by putting the cover on it and keeping it away from dust. And also avoid cleaning your lenses several times, because that in turn could create many scratches on it. So it's best that you keep your lens away from dust. So let's unbox. So this is the Lenspen air compressed blower, and let's open this another parcel. And this is the lens cleaner from Lenspen. There are many fake products available online, with the same brand name. So you need to be very particular while making your purchase. You need to go in for the genuine product, and be careful while selecting. Check for the right logo and stuff. So in this there are three kinds of pens available. One is for the lens, and one is for the lens filter, and one is for the viewfinder. So you also get a combo pack of all those three pens, but I will go in for that later. Right now I just wanted this lens cleaner pen, and let's look for the specifications of it. So guys, whenever I purchase products, I always see that I go in for the best product available. Also, if it costs me a little more, I want to go in for the right brand and the genuine product. So when you're investing so much in your lenses, then it's definitely worthwhile buying genuine products and taking good care of them. They are also durable and long lasting, provided you take good care of it. There are also many inferior products available of the same kind, but I always opt for going for good durable products, genuine products with a good brand. So this is also from Lenspen brand. So this is my 12mm Leica lens. So let's clean this. So you can see there's fine dust particles on it, and also something greasy over here. So first step is you're supposed to use this air compressed blower and gently just blow on this, because all those dust particles will just vanish away, especially when you go outdoor, and there could be some sand and all which is stuck, also fine and large dust particles. So if you just allow the dust to remain, and then that in turn could create more scratches, fine micro scratches on the lens. So every time you use the lens, just do this and cover the lens. So once you have completed this step of removing all the fine dust particles, and also if there are a few present, then you can use this lens pen and just brush it finely. So also in the corners, if there are little dust present which are stuck, then you could easily remove all of it. And this doesn't have a cover, so that's the reason I said you can keep it in a dust free environment. You can keep it in a plastic zip bag. So once you have completed these two steps, so the other side of the lens pen has a carbon tip. So you can see that something greasy is there, some mark on it. So start from the center and just gently go towards the sides. Be very particular that there are no dust particles on the lens. Remove all the dust particles, and then you should do this third step, because those fine dust particles in turn could create scratches at very micro level. So avoid cleaning your lenses several times. The best method is just keep it away from dust and dirt. So you can see this carbon tip has done such a good job. It's done it so efficiently. So don't do this and go diagonally. That's the incorrect way of doing it. Start from the center and go towards the outermost circumference. So you could be sure that everything is being cleaned. Yeah, I think it's done. So you can just see it's become so clear and clean. The carbon tip has very efficiently removed that greasy mark on the lens. And if still some stubborn stains, greasy, they don't go, or you can have another alternate method, that is you can use distilled water. I bought this tiny little packet of 10 ml from the medical stores, and it hardly cost me around 3 rupees. So this distilled water, empty it into a clean container, small little container, and you can also use sprays. You can check which are distilled water, and also when you want to purchase those lens cleaning sprays, then you should check for the contents present in that solution. So this is a cheap and a good method. And use these earbuds. So dip this into the distilled water in the container and gently just dab it like this. I'm just showing a demo, I'm not actually doing it because my lens is already clean. Just dab it on a clean cloth, and be very particular that the cloth has to be clean because it should not be greasy, which will in turn dirty this earbud. Or you can just dab it on a clean tissue just to remove that excess water and moisture content, and start from the center in circular motion and start cleaning your lens. So this is the method that's supposed to be followed, and once you complete this, then you can use the other side of the bud. Don't repeatedly use the same portion. So start from the center and at the end, and also go in the similar direction like this. This is the right way it's supposed to be done. And then you can also use the second bud if it gets dirty. So be particular that all the stuff that you're using is clean and do it in the right manner. So guys, I hope this video was useful and beneficial for you all. And if you have any doubts or queries, then don't forget to drop your comments below. I'll definitely reply at the earliest. Remember very carefully that don't use any water, tap water, because it contains chlorine, and that's the reason I'm using only distilled water, because the pH of distilled water is 7 and that is neutral. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video of mine, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I make a lot of interesting stuff on my channel. And if you have any suggestions or comments, you can leave it down below. And I hope this video was helpful for you all. So I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye bye.